रात की एक कहानी होती है। जैसे सिक्योरिटी गार्ड का अपनी ड्यूटी पे सो जाना, ये भी एक अलग किस्सा है। बंगला साहब की वो सोने की चकाचौंध, वो सोना गोल्ड दैट जस्ट टेक्स योर ब्रेथ। क्या कभी शाम को कनॉट प्लेस में घूमे हो? वो ऑटो राइड्स जो दिल्ली की सड़कों पर अक्सर कर आप देख सकते हो, महसूस कर सकते हो। और मेट्रो में सफ़र करना, वो जंगपुरा एक्सटेंशन, क्या याद है आप सबको? हम सब भूल से गए हैं ये सब जब से हम लॉकडाउन में हैं। एंड ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, दिस कोरोना हैज़ affected us so badly that we just can't just even step out of the houses because we're really annoyed with the fact that what can happen next. But I don't think you have to worry, because I have brought something in today's video which can heal you, which can take you to the places, and you don't have to worry at all, because you can get all of them, get all the taste, all the essence of it just by sitting on your chair and reading this book. Yes, it's a book review and a special book by none other than the Delhi's most famous poet, who's Akhil Katyal sir. And the title of the book is Live Blood on the Bitten Tongue. So this is the book. I'm showing it for you all. I will also attach the link of the book in the description down below. Guys, go get yourself a copy. And this video will take you to the journey of this book, which I have also experienced. So if I talk about the lockdown and the COVID, the constant companion of me have been the books. And this was one of my favorite. So let me take you back to the journey. Like, I feel privileged, I feel honored to be a part of such an institution which gave me a person more like a mentor and a guide to me, who is none other than Akhil sir, who has taught me, and working under him just gives you more experiences, more like give you life experiences, and he has captured well in the book. This book will take you to inch and small sections of Delhi, which I think you maybe haven't visited yet, but it has everything in it. So if I mention a few things, जैसे कि especially I'm talking about this thing, अमन और रेखा की वो प्रेम कहानी जो जामा मस्जिद में है मतलब जैसे उन्होंने लिखा है, he have mentioned it in a form of a poetry. I'm not gonna reveal anything, I'm not gonna give spoilers, so you just need to read. This book is not only about the poetry richness and richness in the beauty of the various forms of poems that are mentioned in it. Like, if I be more simplifying in this way, so I can say that this book has different forms of poems, like a villanelle, like a ghazal, like a haiku, and other forms. So all the forms are so intact and so impactful that once you'll read it, you will like to reread it, or you'll wish to just get back again to it, and maybe you'll wish to write one by yourself. So I am gonna introduce one important person of the book, which is mentioned in the title also. He is none other than Vishwajyoti Ghosh ji. Vishwajyoti ji has made all the visuals, and I can show you like this. He has made all the visuals and the illustrations in the book. And guys, I must say that these visuals and illustrations are adding on the flavor, the required masala to the biryani. And I think I had a great biryani in this lockdown, and I would advise you all to have this book once and read it, because I know if you'll read it once, you're gonna read it again. And I'm really thankful for sir to write such book for readers, maybe young readers, maybe someone who's experienced. It's a good read, guys. You must get yourself a copy. Also, I want to leave one question for sir if he is watching, and for the people who is watching this, if you have an answer to this question, you can comment down and type it down in the chat box. or in the comment section down below, or you can also DM me with the answers. So my question is that on the title of the book we see that like blood on the bitten tongue, the words like O, T and U are in red and others are in white. So if you have the answer why this is the reason, like what can be the reason of this, you can just tell me in the comment section down below, or you can also message me. I'm attaching my account. So I'm gonna end the video here, and I had pleasure reading it, and I hope you all will also have a good time reading this. Happy reading. I wish you all a very happy reading. And for more such video contents, you know what to do. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. Also don't forget to press the bell icon for more such video contents. And I'm gonna attach sir's account also, just in case you want to interact with him or want to read more stuffs, because guys, not forgetting, he has more stuffs on Instagram. Like some of my just I want to end this by saying that something which just I cannot erase it from my mind. Those of the works of him are 2 BHK Love Song, Hamare Beach, At the Head of the Window Pane, and I Translate Your Name into 9 languages. So these things just took me to the next world, and I thank you for watching this. Thank you so much everyone. See you in the next video.